Hello guys and welcome to Hitch Collections channel. Today we are going to review NUROUM V21 conference camera. NUROUM company sent me this product for review and I want to go ahead to take this moment to say thank you for giving me this cam for review. If you want to buy this product, I will leave the link in the video description with 10% discount code. NUROUM V21 is a plug-and-play webcam. Comes with a premium CMOS sensor. Enables Full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second and 1440 pixel at 30 frames per second, and can adjust the light automatically to show you in the best light even in low light situations. The camera can automatically detect the presenter in his field of view and center him into frame with up to 5x magnification. NUROUM V21 webcam has 4 microphone built-in array, which can record stereo audio within the distance up to 5 meters or 16 feet with automatic gain control. Also, the camera powered by HDR technology to present peerless images and vivid colors. NUROUM webcam able to work well with popular conferencing platforms like Zoom, Skype, Team, etc. and ideal for online teaching or meeting. So first, let's open the box and see what comes inside. Once you open the box, you will find a user guide and a warranty card. 1.5 meter cable has USB Type-C from both sides and USB-A converter from Type-C to Type-A. A remote control, and the V21 webcam itself. The webcam has CMOS sensor up to 5 megapixel with f2 aperture and 4 microphones to cover the whole area front of the camera. The remote control is one of the powerful features you can use to have the full control while you are far from the webcam, and all the functions explained well on each button. On the top of the webcam, it comes with manual shutter to prevent webcam hacking. On the back side, there is a Type-C port to connect the webcam by provided cable. In the bottom, there is 1/4 20 thread to be able to mount it on a tripod, plus you have the ability to pinch it on your monitor. And now let's go for the desktop setup. First, I'll bring the cable and I will connect it to my webcam. In my case, I will use Type-C to Type-C, so no need to use a converter. Then I will pinch the webcam on my monitor. And from the other side of the cable, I'll connect it to Type-C port. As I mentioned, the camera is plug and play without software, but you can update the firmware by NUROUM update software. And let me show you how to do this step by step. First, I will go for NUROUM website. Then, from the top menu, I will click on Support, then Software Download. Click on Windows Download and wait until the download finish, then start the installation. Click on Next, Next, then Next, and finish. While the webcam connected, I will open NUROUM Update software. Choose Update to see if I have the latest firmware or I need to update it. Here I can see that I need to do the update. As you can see, this update will fix bug for autofocus. I will click on Update and wait until it finishes. The webcam will reboot after the update. As you can see now, I have the latest firmware version and the camera is ready to use. To test the camera, I will use camera application built in Windows 11. By clicking on Start menu, then type camera in the search bar and choose camera application. Now you can hear me from the webcam's microphone. The only light source I have is my studio light and a small light source in front of me, and add on my screen light. Let me switch off the studio light to see how it will look. Now I will return back the studio light. Now I will test some functions from the remote control. First, I will test how to mute and unmute the camera. Click on Mute. Now you can hear me clear. The second function is to block the camera. Now you can't see me, but you can hear me. Another click will unblock the camera. Let's test the zoom option. Click on Zoom, on plus, and then by the cursor I can go up or any direction I want. To return back to the default position, I'll click on the middle button. Let's test the auto framing by clicking on the auto framing button on the remote control. As you can see, the camera is tracking me and put me in the frame. If I go to the left position, the camera is following me. If I go to the other side, it follows me as well. As long as you are in the frame, the camera will frame you or auto track you. To disable this function, you can click the same button again or click on the middle button. When you want to activate or deactivate the HDR option, the camera will freeze for 1 or 2 seconds. Let's try to activate the HDR by clicking HDR button. The camera now freezing for 1 second. Now it's working back. And as you can see, these are the HDR function. Let's deactivate it again. Now it's back to normal. Mirror function. Let's try it by clicking on mirror button. I'll show you now the difference between 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. This is how it looks on 1440 or 2K at 30 frames per second. In the end of the video, I want to thank you very much for watching, and if you like it, please give me a like, and if you would like to watch more products review, then subscribe to my channel. Wishing you a good day.